Okay, right, so we're going to look at electron configuration. Very quick video, can't do all the periodic table, but we're going to do first 3 lines. Okay, right, so in the previous video I mentioned about electron configuration and the electron shells around the nucleus. So just as a reminder, if we have the nucleus in an atom, the first shell can only hold a maximum of 2 electrons, and shells beyond that can hold 8. And our electron configuration basically says how many electrons are in each shell of each atom. Okay, so if we look at hydrogen, which is the smallest and lightest element, it only has 1 electron. So when we do the electron configuration for hydrogen, it's pretty simple, it's just 1. If we look at helium, which is atomic number 2, it's got 2 electrons in that inner shell. It's got a full shell there, but it's only got 2, so the electron configuration is 2. Right, looking at lithium. Lithium has atomic number 3. It's got 3 electrons, 3 protons as well, of course. Now it has a full inner shell of 2, and it has 1 on its outer shell. So we would write 2, 1. Beryllium, full inner shell, 2 in its outer shell. Boron, 2, 3. Carbon, 2, 4. Nitrogen, 2, 5. Oxygen, 2, 6. Fluorine, 2, 7. And neon, 2, 8. And if you notice again, neon has now got a full outer shell. And we start to see a pattern here as well. So if you start looking down this group here, these have 1, and group 1 have 1 outer electron, 2 outer electrons, 3 outer electrons, which goes with the group number. Hydrogen's a bit weird. I put it in group 1 here because it's got 1 outer electron. Different periodic tables you see it put on different positions, mainly because hydrogen is not a metal, unlike the elements that are below it. Okay, right, let's go on to the next line. So with sodium, I have got 2, 8, so this shell is full, and 1. Magnesium, 2, 8, 2, following this pattern, 2 outer electrons. Aluminium, 2, 8, 3. Silicon, 2, 8, 4. Phosphorus, 2, 8, 5. Sulfur, 2, 8, 6. Chlorine, 2, 8, 7. And argon, 2, 8, and once again a full outer shell. So a group 8, although sometimes referred as group 0, have all got full outer shells, which accounts for them being inert and not wanting to react with anything else because they have their lovely stable outer shells.